my little friends. I miss seeing all of you. I'm out at the beach today getting some fresh air. So I want you to bring your hands together at your heart. And then we're going to take the biggest breath in through our nose like we're smelling something really yummy. And then the biggest breath out through your mouth like you're blowing out the biggest birthday candle. Big breath in. Big breath out. Big breath in. Big breath out. Nice job. Take another big breath in. Reach up for the stars. Reach way up. Grab the stars. Big breath out. Hands to your heart. Big breath in. Reach up for the sun. Big breath out. Hands to your heart. One more. Big breath in. Reach up for the moon. Big breath out. Hands to your heart. Oh, it might be a half moon. Let's reach up one side. Reach over to the side. Big breath in. Big breath out. And then the other side. Big breath in. Big breath out. Awesome. Now we're going to try our helicopter. So bring your arms out to the side. Bend your knees a little bit. And then move just the top part of your body from side to side. Where's your helicopter going today? All right, bring your hands back to your heart. Take an inhale, breathe way up. Now we're a candle. Let's move our candle flame. Just the top part of you from side to side. And then bring your hands back to your heart. Let's work on our tree. So keep your hands at your heart, and then keep one foot on the ground. Take your other foot, I'll back up a little bit here, and you can just bring it to the side. Maybe you come a little bit higher. And then let's bring that foot down, shake out your arms like spaghetti. And then bring your hands back to your heart. Let's do tree on the other side. You can keep the foot low, or you can bring it a little higher. And then bring that foot down. Let's ground both feet down like the roots of a big tree and reach way up. Reach your branches way to the sky. And it's a windy day at the beach, so let's move our branches. And then let's pick some fruit from that tree. Reach way up, grab an apple, grab a pear, grab a banana, and then the big watermelon. And then bring your hands back to your heart. Breath here. Reach up once again. Reach for the stars. Big breath in, big breath out. Hands to your heart. Big breath in. Reach up for the sun. Big breath out. Hands to your heart. Big breath in. Reach up for the moon. Big breath out. Hands to your heart. Bring your hands to your shoulders. Give yourself a little hug and say nice job. Bring your hands back to your heart. Together we say, Namaste. Nice job, my friends. I'll see you soon.